Hey, so I have a list of LinkedIn profiles that I want to connect with these people. I want to check off that they're DM'd. I have a link. I have their name, their role in the company, and the company that they're in. So let's create a personalized message here that I can copy and paste. But obviously, I don't want to say, Alice, I see you work at Acme as a marketing manager. I don't want to have to type all of that out. So let's create a function or a formula that does that for us. Hey, and then we're going to add an ampersand. So we have hey in quotes. And then we're going to split B2. We're going to split it by space, true. And we're just going to take the index, the very first row, the very first column. We just want the first name. Hey, Alice. Ampersand, comma, space, saw you work as the ampersand, E2, ampersand, space at, then another quote after another space, and a ampersand, F2. And now I have this whole message. Hey, Alice, saw you work as the marketing manager at Acme, ampersand, and thought you might be deep into spreadsheets. Wanted to see if I could be of some help. Done. Now I have a copy and pastable message here. So I can go and possibly connect with them, add a note, paste this, and click send. And I can do this for the entire page. So now there's dozens and dozens or even hundreds of profiles that I can DM very quickly and connect with them very quickly with this one formula. Hope that helps. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.